Hello to everybody, I'm John from Farm Slinia. I'm presenting you a machine. It's about 100 years old. It's called a windmill. What's the purpose of this mill? Basically, it cleans the seeds from wheat. It consists of three parts. At the top we have a container for seed. Under the container there are three separators for separating the seeds from unclean particles. And at the bottom of the machine we have this container from which comes cleaned wheat, cleaned seed. Here we have a wheel. With the hand we turn over the wheel and making a wind. And so when the wind blows, we cleanse the seed from the dust particles which are separated from the seeds. That's the whole idea of this basically very simple machine. The rating says that the machine came from ancient China, and it came to Netherlands in 18th century. Then it came here to Slovenia in 19th century. It was modified for better performance. They made these so-called flippers or net grids for the seat, which the previous machine doesn't have. That's all. Now we will try to see how this machine works. I will put this seed in the container and we will see what will happen. Now we are turning the wheel. The machine is flowing. The machine is separating from the filters, from the net, the seed. And down there we are having a clean seed from the machine, and the dusted particles are separated from the clean seeds on both sides of the machine, here the left and the bottom. That's the whole idea of this machine. Now we can see what we have here. If I show you, you can look here. We have basically very well cleaned seeds of wheat. There is not a lot of dusted particles or something else. Also there's no little stones or something like this or something like that. So this seed we then can take to the mill, to the stone mill, and make a floor. Thank you for watching me, and to the next time, bye bye.